How to fix Crunchyroll app not working. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel and let us get started. First and foremost, we have to make sure that our Crunchyroll application is updated. Head over to your Play Store and search for Crunchyroll. If the application says update, you have to tap on update and update your app. Now let's head over to our settings. Here, scroll below onto apps and search for Crunchyroll again. Under Usage, tap onto Storage and clear the cache. You also need to clear your application's data, so make sure that you remember your username and your password. Once you have done that, come back into App Info page and tap on Force Stop. Then tap on OK and see if this fixes your app not working problem. If you are still facing that issue, then you have to uninstall this application and reinstall it again. That wraps up today's tutorial. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe.